Hello everybody, hope you're all doing well. Thank you for stopping by. Let's get started with this recipe. First, peel your potatoes, and the number of potatoes that you peel so much depends on you because it has to do with the number of people that you're cooking for, and this is just for me, so I have about 5 potatoes, medium-sized potatoes. After you've peeled and washed your potatoes, it's now time to cut them into smaller pieces. You're going to cut it in 1 potato and a half, and then you're going to cut that half in 2, and then cut that half in 2 again, so that you end up with 4 pieces on each side. And this is what it should look like when you're done. I find that when I prep the potatoes like this, it takes a shorter time to cook. And also, please do not put any salt in the boiled water. You want to boil your potatoes without salt. And this is a very nice container. I'm going to go ahead and grate my cheese while the potatoes are boiling. And this is a lovely container. It has 3 parts to it. You can get 3 different shapes and sizes of cheese. Now I'm going to use the bigger portion because that's the one I like. The middle piece gives you thin slices of cheese, and the smaller portion gives you smaller pieces of cheese. And there it is. Just showing you again that that's the size I used, and that's what it looks like when you use that part of the cheese grate. I don't know if they make them anymore or sell them anymore. And now I'm checking the potatoes. They are done. Whenever you see the water starting to look as cloudy as that, and with the froth in it, you know your potato is done. And it's now to plate and finish the process, putting this lovely breakfast together. But of course you can have this for lunch or for dinner. Add some bacon bits of your choice. It can be a good bit, a small bit, or if you don't want to add any, then don't add any. Alright, and after you've added your bacon bits, now you're gonna add your cheese as much as you like. And it's, of course, sharp cheddar cheese because I think that tastes the best with this. And then you're going to add some sour cream of your choice. And the amount that you put on it also depends very much on you. I used a couple of spoons of the sour cream because that's the way I like it. And then when you're done adding your sour cream, you're going to top it off with some chopped chives, as much as you like. And then voila, you have your dish ready. And you can add some green onions or scallion, whatever you call it. It gives a nice depth of flavor to this dish. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and leave me a comment.